Hey guys, what's up? It's time to do a speed test comparison between the Huawei Y7p versus the Redmi Note 8, and the Redmi Note 8 is powered by Snapdragon 665 chipset with 4 GB of RAM, while the Huawei Y7p comes with a Huawei Kirin 710F chipset. So very interesting to see who is perform faster in this speed test. And Redmi Note 8 comes with a quad cameras on the back as you can see, while the Y7p comes with a triple cameras on the back. Both phones comes with a main 48 megapixel main sensor. So without any wasting time, let's get right into it. Like always, let's quickly boot both of these phones up at the same time. Here we go. Launching at the same time, and logo came up first on the Huawei Y7p. And both phones is running on the latest software version, which is the Android 9. We don't have the latest Android 10 on both phones right out the box. And you can see Huawei Y7p, it is just a tiny bit faster there, while the Redmi Note 8 Pro is also right behind there, about 1 or 2 second difference there. And guys, you can see that both phones comes with a beautiful display. We have a 720p IPS LCD display on the Y7p with a punch hole on the front, while the Redmi Note 8 comes with a water drop notch with a full HD IPS LCD display, and the display resolution it is much better on the Redmi Note 8. So now let's see the app's opening speed. Like always, everything is closed up in the background, and you can see no app is running in the background. It also same Wi-Fi network on both phones. So starting off by basic stuff. So first application we have is the phone dialer on both phones, and you can see that is faster on the Huawei Y7p, followed by the Redmi Note 8 settings, and again a little bit faster on the Huawei Y7p. The My Files on both phones, boom, and that is faster on the Y7p again, followed by the Note 8. Calendar, and that is again faster on the Huawei Y7p. So now let's launch some more application. We have Amazon Shopping on both phones, Redmi Note 8 it is just a tiny bit faster there. Candy Crush Saga, we have some games application for checking out the performance difference between these devices. And you can see Huawei Y7p it is faster there. Now let's see the Instagram, and faster on the Y7p. Now let's see the Snapchat, and about the same on both phones, you can see. Now let's see the Spotify, and faster on the Huawei Y7p again, followed by the Redmi Note 8. Now let's see the Subway Surfer on both phones, launching at the same time, and again Huawei Y7p it is faster there, and you can see definitely Huawei Kirin 710F chipset is faster than the Snapdragon 665 inside the Redmi Note 8, and you can see about 1 or 2 second difference there. So last game application we have is the Temple Run 2. And now let's see who is going to be the fastest one in this game. And you can see Huawei Y7p it is super faster there, while the Redmi Note 8 it is also right behind there, and you can see huge faster on the Y7p. Definitely Y7p it is much faster in terms of game app loading time. Now let's see the Zedge, and that is faster on the Huawei Y7p, little bit faster there, while the Note 8 is also right behind there. Twitter faster on the Y7p again, followed by the Redmi Note 8. And last I'm going to launching the cameras on both phones. Here we go, default camera app, and that is faster on the Huawei Y7p, followed by the Redmi Note 8. Now let's see the internet browsing speed. I am using default Huawei internet browser on the Huawei Y7p versus a Google Chrome on the Redmi Note 8. So first website we have is the wikipedia.org, and also same Wi-Fi network on both phones, and about the same on both phones as you can see. Now let's see the scrolling, and you can see feels very smooth on both phones, no lag whatsoever. Next on the list is the gsubmarina.com, and that is faster on the Redmi Note 8 I believe. Let's see at the end who is going to be the fastest one. And Definitely Redmi Note 8 it is faster there than the Huawei Y7p. So now let's see the scrolling. And Inclusive feels very smooth on both phones. Now let's see the RAM measurement on both phones. Both phones give you a 4 GB of RAM with a 64 GB of internal storage. So very interesting to see who is perform better in the RAM measurement. And we have phone dialer that got refresh on both phones. Now let's see the settings that got refresh only on the Note 8. My files refresh on both phones. Now let's see the calendar, refresh on both phones. Amazon shopping, again same result. Let's see the Candy Crush Saga, refresh on both phones. Instagram, that got refresh. Now let's see the Snapchat, again refresh on both phones. RAM measurement is absolutely bad on both phones right now. Spotify, refresh on both phones. And now let's see the Subway Surfer, can see again refresh on both phones. Now let's see the Temper and 2, again refresh on both phones. Zedge, now let's see the Twitter, and now refresh on both phones. And last we are back to the internet browser where we left, and that got refresh on the Y7p but not on the Redmi Note 8. Overall, I have to say that the app's opening speed is definitely faster on the Huawei Y7p system-based application as well as in game app loading time. RAM measurement is absolutely bad on both phones. Little bit better on the Redmi Note 8. Overall, very bad RAM performance on both phones. I hope the RAM measurement will fix with some software updates in the future, I hope. So thank you so much for watching this speed test comparison between the Huawei Y7p and the Redmi Note 8. Let me know what you guys think about this new Huawei Y7p and subscribe to my channel if you are new here, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.